this video, we'll provide a complete overview on how to use the CazVid employment app. Open the CazVid app on your phone. Here in the bottom menu, you can see we are on Candidates. You can swipe to view video resumes. On CazVid, all resumes are short 30-second videos. You can watch the video and click the description to see more details. Found a candidate you like? You can save, share, or message them directly in the app. Next, we'll click on Jobs and swipe through job listings. Unlike resumes, job listings can either be a video or a text listing. Click on the description to see the full job details. You can save, share, or message the employer directly to apply for the job and to share your video resume. In the top right, you'll find Filter. Here you can search and filter the resume or job listings to find the perfect candidate or job opportunity for you. Next is Create. This is where you can choose to create a video resume or post a job listing. Next is Discover. Here you can upgrade your CazVid account for more features and information. Next is Your Messages, where you can read and reply to all your messages. For even greater engagement and to manage your job seeking or hiring process, use the CazVid desktop and ATS to track and manage the process for each position. Finally, in the upper left, click the gear icon to manage your account profile. Here you can manage your profile info, see all your posts and their approval status, your saved listings, customize your account profile to improve match relevance, and upload a copy of your traditional resume. Click the upper right to manage more account settings, such as premium offerings, notifications, or to log out of your account. Thanks for using the CazVid employment app. Contact us if you have any questions, and be sure to watch our other tutorial videos. Thanks.